Number 14. YouTube automation or faceless channels. Want to make money on YouTube but don't want to show your face? That's exactly what faceless channels, or YouTube automation, are for a way to turn content into income while staying behind the scenes. And just like the video you're watching right now, everything is created without showing a face, only visuals, narration, and clean editing. This makes production simple, fast, and perfect for beginners. Step 1. Pick a niche that interests you and has demand. Finance, tech, motivation, or educational content work really well. Evergreen topics are gold. They keep attracting views months and even years after posting. Step 2. Create content. You don't need a camera or a fancy setup. Use AI voices, stock footage, animations, or screen recordings. The key is delivering value clearly and engagingly. Even a simple voiceover with visuals that explain a concept can attract thousands of views. Step 3. Post consistently and optimize everything. Titles, thumbnails, and descriptions matter as much as the content itself. Learn a few SEO tricks so your videos show up when people search for solutions. Monetize through ads once you hit the threshold, plus sponsorships or affiliate links for extra income. Here's the potential. Even a small, consistent channel can earn between $500 to $2,000 per month. And as you scale, hiring editors or AI tools to produce more content, income can grow exponentially. You're not just posting videos, you're creating a digital asset that keeps working for you around the clock. So if you love research, scripting, and curating content, YouTube automation is a way to build a revenue-generating channel without ever stepping in front of a camera. So if this hustle sounds like your kind of start, don't stop here. There are 19 more just like it, each one packed with fresh, real-world money ideas. Check out the full video, 20 side hustles to start in 2026, right here on the channel. You'll find the one that fits your lifestyle, your skills, and your future. Comment if this hustle resonates with you or the challenges you are facing. Like, share, and subscribe for more business content.